So my paranoia kicked in because I remembered this one time that I replaced a turbo on a car because it failed, and the brand new turbo failed after about 15 seconds because none of us realized at the time that on that car it was a Holden Cruise, but this pipe had actually clogged up with carbon soot and there was no oil flowing into the turbo, which is what caused the first one to blow up. So as a result, I have double, triple, quadruple checked everything and have decided to remove this pipe from the turbo feed and crank the engine to make sure there's no air in the line. And as you can see, we managed to push out all the air and now we have oil all over the place. So the downside is we're going to have a whole heap of smoke. The upside is I absolutely know I'm not blowing up this turbo because of oil starvation. So my new coils and spark plugs are here. I'll button this up, clean that area, install all the stuff, and we are good for a test fire and a test drive.